The next thing, I want you to please take out your phone. I know, usually lecturers are like, please put your phones away. But please take out your phone. Yalla, everyone, bismillah. And open up the Notes app. If you don't have the Notes app, write a text message to yourself. And I want you to think of 3 things you're truly grateful for. It can be the fact that since you woke up this morning, your heart has been pumping about 2,000 gallons of blood throughout your body, and you didn't even have to think about it. Allahu Akbar. Or it could be the fact that right now your kidneys and your liver are purifying your blood, and you didn't even have to say in the morning, hey, can you please do that for me today? It could be the fact that we are gathered here today in the company of angels, literally, where the Prophet ﷺ said that there's no gathering like this except that the angels are there, and that the angels cover them with their wings, and that the tranquility and the sakina of Allah descends on them. It could be the fact that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed you with food today. I want you to write down 3 things that you're grateful for. Studies have shown just doing this simple exercise every day for 21 days can increase your baseline happiness by 25%. While you're on your phone, I want you to message someone that you're grateful for and express your appreciation towards them, because the Prophet ﷺ said, "Man lam yashkur nas lam yashkurillah." Those who do not give thanks, who are not appreciative to people, are not grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It can be your parents, it can be your spouse, it can be your sibling, it could be a friend. It can be whoever you want it to be. But don't leave here tonight without sending that message